I covered my subscription and went into profit mode within a month. If you've ever wondered whether a home business system can actually deliver, not just hype, this is your proof. Stick with me until the end because I'm going to show you exactly how this works, step by step, and I'll reveal how you can copy it yourself. This video is called Proof Home Business Academy Works, Real Results You Can Copy. When I first started, it wasn't just HBA that changed my life. It was the Simple Freedom Warriors bonus I plugged into. That bonus gave me the clarity, duplication, and mentorship I needed to move forward with confidence. Now, don't get me wrong, the funnel builder inside HBA is simple. It's fast, and it's the reason I can duplicate results across my team without tech headaches. But the real game changer? The residual income. That's why I believe I'll be retiring by the end of 2026, because when you combine a duplicated funnel with a pay plan that stacks month after month after month, you're not just making sales, you're building freedom. In my very first month, I didn't just cover my subscription, I went into profit mode. That's important because most people are used to programs where they're stuck paying month after month after month, hoping one day it pays off. Here I was, cash flow positive in about 30 days. That changes everything. Profit modes mean you're not just playing defense anymore. You're not worried about covering costs. You're building from a position of strength. And when you can show your team that you can hit profit in your first month, duplication becomes real because they can see themselves doing it too. Now let's talk about why residual income is so important in 2025. The economy is shifting. Costs are up. Attention spans are down. And people are looking for stability. One-time sales don't give you that. Residual income means you do the work one time and you get paid again and again. It's leverage. It's security. It's the reason I believe I'll be retiring by the end of 2026, because when you stack residuals month after month, you're not just making money, you're buying back your time. And here's the truth, in 2025, if you're not building residual income, you're building a treadmill. You can run faster, but you'll never get ahead. It's like a rat going through a maze over and over again, doing the same maze, but never finishing. Residuals are the difference between hustling forever and actually creating freedom. Now here's the bonus for watching. Here's the bonus for watching till the end. I'm personally covering your entry into a proven program that teaches you how to generate leads, drive traffic, and create sales for any offer while building a team of trained affiliates and earning instant commissions straight to your payment processor of choice. Not only will you be trained on the exact steps you need to dominate any program, but so will your existing members and future members. That means duplication, leverage, and long-term results. This is the same system, Simple Freedom Warriors, the bonus I'm offering to you, and I'm giving to you on a silver platter. Now, it's not free for me, it's free for you. That means I'm paying for it out of my own pocket because I want you to be able to succeed. I want to teach you the things that your so-called upline is not teaching you. They either don't know or they're scared to teach you what really will separate you from the rest. This is the same system, Simple Freedom Warriors, that helped me cover my subscription and go into profit mode within 30 days. And it's the same system that's fueling my retirement plan for 2026. And again, I'm giving you this on a silver platter if you join HBA with me at the $25 level. It will build any business and it will train your people as well. Then you will get instant commissions to whatever payment processors you choose. So you can have payment processor, you can have payment processors, you can have Venmo, Cash App, PayPal, Zelle, or just one. It's up to you, okay? Now I'm going to show you the results I'm talking about. I'm not just telling you what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you, okay? So first of all, let's go. Home Business Academy helps build income. That's today's video, right? As you can see, I'm not signed in, so this is actual results. So I'm number 1 on YouTube. This is a sponsored ad. It does not count. So there's number 1, right? Let's see if I got any more results. Here's another one. But I'm the #1 video, and you can see right here, 13 hours ago, with 7 views only, right? But I'm going to show you more than just Google, right? There we go. Oh, there we go. So as you can see, I'm not signed in, right? The #1 result, right, is Make Money Online with JJ, how Home Business Academy helps you build income. And we're going to click on that video. #1 in Google, remember, 13 hours ago, right? And there I am. So #1 in Google and #1 in YouTube today. This isn't the first time I've done that, by the way. I'm going to go to Home Business Academy DFY marketing system on Google, right? On YouTube. Guess what? #1. But I'm going to show you more than that. #2. This is an ad. This is an ad. #3. #4. This is an ad. #5. #6. #7. #8. #9. This is an ad. 9 of the top 10. And here's another one, and 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 another one. Another one bites the dust. And another one, and another one, and another one. Another one bites the dust. So when I'm paying me, substitute you. Because if you stay consistent, this is what can happen for you too. It's not just me, okay? It is about you and what you're going to do. If I show you something simple and give you the tools and show you how you can rank from your very first video, would you keep doing it? Because you don't have to put yourself on camera like I do. In fact, I did plenty of ones where I'm not on camera. But does it help? Oh, fuck yeah, it does. Oh, fuck yeah, it does. To put yourself on camera to, and look at how small this is. This is a little camera. Nobody cares if your hair is done. Nobody cares if your teeth aren't perfect or if your makeup is you only spent 5 minutes on it. Who gives a fuck? At the end of the day, it's about creating your dreams. About turning your dreams into reality, okay? This system can turn your dreams into reality. I'm giving it to you on silver platter. It's not free for me. I'm paying from on my pocket. But also, it will get you instant commissions from $3.50 to all the way to $1,500 instantly to whatever payment processor you want. $3.50 to $1,500, and it doesn't matter what level you're on. And this is the exact system I'm going to show you that creates massive duplication, okay? Because we're not scared the right things, okay? Look at all this training, okay? In the build phase right here, we teach you exactly how to do these things, how to set up everything to be a real field marketer, okay? Set up branded funnels, test your funnel. We tell you the exact steps you need to do every single day, right? Every single day to dominate on YouTube and even Google for the things I did. Now let me check it out. I want to show you one more thing. Let me go back to here. Okay, DFY marketing system. I've showed you all these rankings, right? I think I had all 9 of the top videos. We're going to go to DFY marketing system on Google. And there is Instagram JJ Solly, right? Instagram JJ Solly. So we're going to see if that's me, right? We're going to click on a post. And there you have it. Same person, right? So 2 Instagram posts and a Make Money On with JJ right here. So 3, and here's another YouTube video, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 posts on first page of Google. Let's see if I'm in there again. Okay, 4 posts on the first page of Google, and what 9 of the 9 top results on. Here we'll go back again, so you just see 1. Okay, wait, Home Business Academy DFY marketing system. Right. Okay, so 1, 2. Again, these are ads. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of 9. How can you be better than perfection? 9 of 9. All 9 top spots are for me. And again, substitute me with you. Because if you stay consistent, if you do the simple steps we teach you every single day, you can dominate any program. You can become the badass affiliate you've always wanted to. You can become the stage walker. Am I guaranteeing you results? Oh no. Oh no, you have to. I don't know you. I don't know your work ethic. This is about whether you'll do the simple steps or you'll take the next shiny object and say, oh my God, I gotta join that. Oh my God, I forget this. You gotta put in the work every single day. And we minimize everything. We show you how to do it, and it's about you leveling up and doing the simple steps you need to do every single day. Will you show up and do the simple steps we show you? If you are guaranteed success, if you could take your very first video and rank it on YouTube like I did, everybody ranks with this system that we give you. Because we're showing you exactly what you need to do to succeed every single motherfucking day. Every single video I put up, I rank. Okay? Every single video I put up, I rank on YouTube, on the first page. Every single video. So, yeah, success is guaranteed because I keep doing the videos every single day. I'm ranking for something else. And look at this, DFY marketing system. Okay, so that's the first one is DFY marketing system. Look at this, Academy Legit. ClickFunnels versus HBA. Where do you see DFY marketing system? Funnel Builder. Setup. Scam. I'm ranking for all these, and if you want to go to scam, okay, let's go to scam. Because I'm just doing the work that it shows me to do every single day. Is home a scam? There it is. There's Home Business Academy a scam. And here's another one. See, I'm just doing the same steps over every day. It's like a snowball going downhill. Nobody's scared of a snowball, right? But if a snowball goes downhill and gets momentum, by the time it hits the ground, it can be an avalanche. An avalanche for you of traffic. An avalanche for you of leads, traffic, and sales, right? If you're a quiet creator, a real builder, or someone who's been burned before, drop a comment. Every comment is key, and we're pushing toward the next unlock on the ladder. Tell me what you're building, what you tried, and what you're ready to change. And if you want more step-by-steps breakdowns like this, hit the subscribe button and check out the playlist below. That's where I'm stacking every video of this series. Second half of the clue, real results you can copy. Proof Home Business Academy works, real results you can copy. Now I'm going to show you something real quick. Okay, how cool is this, right? HBA is changing. Okay, this is HBA company, all upgrades. Okay, they did their Freedom Fest just a few days ago, and they're announcing all kinds of changes. So people are going to start plugging into HBA. Don't you want to get ahead of the game? Don't you want to be able to build any business, okay, and get pages like this? This isn't what they're giving. This is what sets you apart from everybody else. So you put your name, you put your email address, and then you go to something like this. My video, okay? Now substitute again, me with you, okay? This is Home Business Academy where you can get, where I got into profit within a month. And you can do it too. You can do it too. You can rank for all those videos that I rank. I show you every single day I'm ranking for videos, right? Home Business Academy legit. Okay? I'm going to show you again. It's Home Business Academy legit. And here's a video, right, of our team. And here's another video of our team. And here's one of my videos. But this doesn't say legit. Okay? And here's another. Oh, guys, that's. What? That looked like mine. Okay, I see. So you just do the steps every single day and you will succeed. This is JJ Solly, a.k.a. John Solly, a.k.a. your friendly neighborhood Solly man. Don't delay. Get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.